Man, what's good? It's your boy, I Take Back Pieces here with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna get straight into it. I've been ripping with this gun and I doubted it for so long. And yes, here it goes. The Switchblade. And we have the Pieces skin on there. Pieces skin. And we're rocking diamond camo today. So, rocking with the Elo sight stock, quick draw, and hybrid mags. With this, you have to have an extended mag because the Switchblade is technically a secondary weapon, so you have to have that extra set of bullets for the gunfight. Rocking comsec device, scavenger, cold-blooded, and ghost, score streaks, thresher, gunship, and attack. Man, if you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Man, tell a friend, tell a gamer so you could join the Pieces journey. Man, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the content. Good, because I always switch it up. It's never the same of something. I just have to have it look different.
Team deathmatch. You have your
Let's
onboard
see if I can
soldiers.
get these streaks.
We pulled ahead.
Ooh. There y'all go. Come on.
Assault frag right here.
Watch out behind you. Yo, these dudes have ghost on. Let's go. Tag. Made it out of there. They're backing out. Now finesse the gunship. Got it. Yo, I can't even find out where they at. Yeah, we gotta get him away from Pieces.
Firing suspect. Hostile signal
Vision
guiding our
pole.
targets.
Get him, guys.
Good job.
I was nervous right there. I'm not even gonna lie. just gotta take risks to win big.
Few stores open.
They're gonna run to that room. Shit.
Shut 'em down.
Anybody around me? I doubt it. I'm upset with myself. Yes, sir.
Objective screen across the board.
56 and 0. I doubted myself with this gun. Yes, sir. The Switchblade X9 Elo Sight Stock Quick Draw Hybrid Mags. I'm telling you, that extended mag, it came a long way with the pieces scan. It was just so crazy. We got 2 gunships, 2 attacks, and what, 2 threshers. So ultimately it was successful with the cold-blooded. It helped me stay out the way. A lot of it was my reaction speed. So everything that I was doing, the Maddox is good with reaction speed with double quick draw, and I feel like this gun, which is the Switchblade, it has the same type of reaction speed, just a little bit quicker because it's a submachine gun. But man, we did it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe with the 56 and 0. Pieces is out. Oh, actually 57 and 0. Wow, they didn't count that last kill, but we went 57 and 0. We went crazy. Switchblade, Pieces is out. Thank y'all for watching.